Hello. Over the past 2 weeks, the government of Mexico has begun implementing movement restrictions which greatly affect migrant populations who are already vulnerable. In the face of COVID-19, some shelters on the north and south borders of the country have begun closing or are limiting access. IOM continues to work with civil society, faith-based and government shelters to ensure that the best possible conditions are provided for migrants. Colleagues in the field, supported by the main office, maintain close contact with shelters and do everything possible to ensure that vital items are delivered. The colleagues are working in difficult and sometimes risky conditions.
Something that we have been doing as IOM in Ciudad Juárez is providing information to migrants about which are the symptoms of COVID-19, how they can identify if they have or not this virus, or which are the different measures or things they can do in order to minimize the risk of being contagious. With this situation of the COVID-19 outbreak, what we are identifying is we need to take actions with the different flows of migrants arriving to the city. What we are doing here in this shelter is trying to ensure that people that may have an infection caused by COVID-19, they have separate washing facilities, showers, bathrooms, toilets, etc.
In order to keep supporting our beneficiaries, maintain our accountability to our host government and donors, and ensure we are prepared to hit the ground running once the situation improves, we've had to adapt our response and find innovative ways to keep delivering.
Hi, we are in Tapachula, very close to the border with Guatemala, where exists a lot of shelters which receive hundreds of people during the year. Now we are supporting them to have safe spaces and to prevent the spread of COVID among the migrant population. Shelters are very important spaces for migrants. For that reason, we work very closely with those people who are in charge. We support them with resources that can be used to give psychosocial attention to migrant population in these moments. We are picking up the materials that we are going to put in different places in Tapachula where the migrants are. These materials are in Spanish, English and Creole and have a local phone number.
In the meantime, we are coordinating efforts with government, civil society partners and other UN agencies.
Hi, I'm Abraham Herrera. I'm preparing to ship an infrared thermometers to Mexicali.
Hi, I am Madua. I assist in the administrative process for NFI shelters.
COVID-19 is changing the way we work and the way we live. At such times, IOM is called upon to stand up and respond to those in need in accordance with its long tradition of humanitarian support in times of crisis. Keep safe.